I will talk about how can you change language on your Pedometer app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click here on your name down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click on settings here. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account details. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on language here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this here. Then here can you change your language here or select language you want to add. So when you're done, just click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.